For those only tacked in, I'm afraid to lean on those. And a big hole in the spare tire well. That's neat.
You got your shoulder to lean on. Grab hold of that thing.
I'm good now. I'm standing on the ground.
Okay, right on.
I think anyway.
Oh shit.
All right.
Don't rip the nuts out.
Johnny's gonna have fun getting in there. All right. Okay. Sweet. Let's go around the front here and show you what we got going on.
All right. Good luck.
All right, we've got the jam maker loaded up in the trailer here. We've got all the cool stuff out of the engine bay, obviously. So you guys can't check that stuff out yet. It's all out to coating right now. You can see where we've cut the front end off. We got all our mounts, everything done. Sent over to the body shop. They're gonna, smooth the firewall, fill in some holes for us, and then get all this painted up nice and black so it matches the car. It's going off now. We're hoping to have this thing back together in the coming weeks, and you'll be able to finally get to see it. Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, YouTube?
So if you guys haven't seen, which I think most people probably have already, we had a successful first track outing with the 1400R. Joe drove the wheels off this thing to a 9.0 at 161. That was only after 8 passes getting the launch control dialed in. Still bogging a little bit, so we've got some left in it. We also have a few more pounds of boost to go too. But you can check that video out on our YouTube channel. Make sure Trevor drops a link in there for you to click over to that. I also want to give a shout out to my OG Fathouse Fab shirt. This dude is about 7 years old. It's got some holes in it. QR code on the back. Vintage style for sure. You guys will all be jealous of that. All right, we just picked up this 03 Terminator from our customer. We're gonna do a few updates on it, retune on it, maybe take it racing, and then we're gonna offer this guy for sale. This is a 03 with like 46,000 miles, built motor, cams. It's got an F1A94 Cog Drive Pro Charger setup. It's got a automatic transmission. It's got a solid axle rear end in it, full exhaust, super clean setup, some nice aftermarket seats, real clean paint job. So this thing ought to be pretty sweet. Trevor's geeked about it. And then what we got over here? We got Jeremy making some weird noise on the lathe. Oh, Jeremy's putting a Whipple supercharger on, I think this is a 15. Is it 15, Jimmy, you know? 15 or 16. This is a 50th anniversary car. Super clean car, stick shift, getting just kind of a base Whipple package, oil pump gear upgrade. This car should be done next couple of days. We'll see what it makes on the base Whipple tune, and we're going to do a custom tune on it too. So that'll be a fun comparison back and forth. Alright, so we got the jam maker loaded up, going to the body shop. We got the old tired motor here out of the car. I'm going to inherit this over to Jeremy here. He's going to do a little refresh on it. It's going in, what's the project called?
Project Make Larry by Beneath You, because I'm going to drag him down the track.
I thought it was Project Crop Duster.
It was, because I farted a lot.
Oh.
Everything's
okay,
towards Larry.
Okay, so it's morphing into something new.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, regardless, this puppy is going to be in another episode of Jam Maker. We're going to tear this thing down and see just how bad and how many rods we bent last year.
At least 3.
We know at least 3 just looking through the pan, so that'll be fun. So stay tuned for that episode. But now that we have the old tired motor out, we're going to switch over here and we're going to show you our brand new NPR racing engine. And we've got everything blacked out. It's part of the theme of the new build. The front cover blacked out. We've got Holly Sniper intake with a custom Jam Maker logo inscribed JC Customs billet lid. Got some Fat Fab coil covers on there. And then one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is we're now going to be running a Moroso pan, which you cannot see because it's covered by our engine containment device. But the Moroso pan is going to allow us to increase our oil capacity. So we're going to be running more oil. It's also going to help us maintain oil pressure going down the track and help the engine run a little bit cooler too. And then this is a Motion Raceworks part on the bottom here, the engine containment device, engine diaper, people also call them diapers. This is going to keep everyone on the track safe. If we window the block, put a rod through it, it's going to help keep the oil off the track. These are very important. Not a lot of people are running them these days, but it's getting more popular. Tracks are starting to require them. This helps drag racing move quickly, less oil downs on the track, keeps everyone more interested in events, so I highly suggest you get with Motion Raceworks for your Coyote and get you an engine diaper on here. They have one that fits with factory motor mounts, the factory oil pan, as well as the Moroso pan all in one. So it's a really nice piece, and it's going to keep everything inside of here if there's an engine failure. So make sure you get a hold of Motion Racers for one of those. And you do get gushers with your package, so that's also an awesome addition. We're excited about the new motor too. It's got NPR hooked us up with a sweet CNC port job on the heads. We're running Gen 2 heads, ported with a set of NPR turbo cams. You know, intake manifold. We're gonna run moon boost on this dude and see if we can go pretty fast with this stick shift car. You got anything to add, Jeremy?
No, well, sounds good.
Okay. Well, that probably wraps up this episode of the Jam Factory. You guys have to hang around. Next couple episodes, you're going to see this thing start to come together, and you might even get to see what all this cool fab Jeremy's been doing is going to look like in the car.
Is that the end of the episode?
Yes.
Goodbye, YouTube!